So this tattoo vlog is going to be a extra special one for multiple different reasons. Right now, I'm about 2-3 hours before my tattooing session. I'm right outside of the tattoo parlor. My friend Jake, he's getting his second tattoo of all time on his body as we speak by Matt Doherty, my tattoo artist. Not only does he have his session today, but also I'm going to be completing my chest piece as well. So he has the first half of the day and I'm gonna have the second half of the day, and I figured it'll be fun to take you along, show you guys the whole tattooing experience that Jake is going through with his piece. He's getting his forearm done, then going right into my session where we're gonna be completing the chest piece. So without further delay, let's go into the tattoo parlor and surprise my friend Jake and see what he has going on with his new tattoo. Oh man. Yo, got the Lord of the Rings on and getting a Lord of the Rings tattoo. So how's it going so far, Jake?
Pretty good.
How's it feel? Between your leg piece and your
It hurt a little bit worse. I'd say the forearm compared to the leg, but nothing you can't handle, you know. But I like the Demon Star necklace looks great.
Woo. The reveal. What do you think?
I love it. Looks amazing. Really awesome. Matt did a great job.
I brought you one of these bad boys.
Oh, cool.
I figured you would you wanted to try it out.
Can you use your stuff while it's healing, or no?
It's only for already healed tattoos, like as a daily moisturizer. Jake sat like a champ, so it gets a shirt off the wall. All right, buddy. Bye. Enjoy your tattoo. Pretty happy with Jake. Second tattoo right on the forearm, and he sat pretty well. But now, it's my turn. Of course, got me and Matt the monsters. So Matt just got done cleaning up the whole area from completing Jake's tattoo. So everything's all ready to go, everything's all clean, but Matt had to go get some food because, you know, he's a human being and he's been tattooing all day. We're almost ready to get started, and as the time gets closer, I'm getting even more excited because I'm gonna have a full chest piece tattoo. I seriously cannot wait. Getting shaved. All right, so we're just about to get started. I'm gonna go grab my monster. We're gonna watch the new episode of Obi-Wan Kenobi, and we're gonna get this show on the road, so let's get it. Well, this is a first. I'm in the process of getting tattooed and the lights started to go off. First for everything. All right, quick bathroom break.
12 seconds later.
All right, let's get back to it. Oh my God, this is the most insane tattoo that I've ever gotten. Matt had to peel out because he had to go pick up his kids, but I'm still at the tattoo shop, and I'm like in shock because of how insane this thing came out.
Have a good day, guys. See you, man.
I finally have a full chest tattoo. What a session that was. Not only was it a lot of hours of tattooing, but this was the first tattoo that I've ever seen to where when I saw it on my body, I actually like started tearing up. Now I will be showing you the finished serious portrait, what I just got done, but I thought it would be pretty fun and pretty cool to see Lexi, my girlfriend's first reaction to the tattoo. So let's head home and let's see what her reaction is.
Oh, darling.
Lexi. Come see my new tattoo, or come here for a second. So since you're Sirius's dog mom, and I just got Sirius's pet portrait done on me, I want you to blind react to it. How's that sound?
Uncomfortable.
All right, so the wrap's off. Turn around in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
That's how.
It looks so good.
I had the same reaction that you said. I was like, this is.
It looks
I almost.
so good.
So now I want you to see it. This is my complete pet portrait of my dog Sirius. Well, I officially have a full chest piece. It's absolutely insane, and I would love to know what you guys think by leaving a comment below on my new tattoo. Now, there is actually a full-blown playlist of each tattoo session that I went through, so if you missed any of them, you could check this playlist out right here, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Next stop, leg sleeve.